Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. After the calculation of simple arithmetic mean, now we are calculating the second type of arithmetic mean, which is combined mean. And for the calculation of combined mean, here statement is given. There are 3 sections in 11th in a certain school, and the number of students in each section and the average marks. So this is the class 11th, section A, section B, section C. The number of students is given. Number of students are 50, 60, 50. And the average marks in statistics, that is also given, 75, 60 or 55 in section C. So let us start the solution. First of all, I am writing down the values which are given in the statement. Number 1, number of students in section A, which will be denoted by N1. Section A is equal to 50. Then number of students in section B, N2, is equal to 60. Then number of students in section C or N3 is equal to 50. Here the values are given 50, 60, 50. Then average marks in statistics. It means x bar 1 is equal to 75. X bar 2 for the section B, that is 60, and the average marks in statistics x bar 3 is equal to 55. So this is the statement. We are given N1, N2, N3. Then x1, x2, x3. So let us put the value in the formula. X bar combined arithmetic mean for section A, section B, section C, 1, 2, 3 is equal to x, first of all, number of students N1 multiplied by x bar 1 plus N2, x bar 2 plus N3, x bar 3, divided by N1 plus N2 plus N3. It means number of students of section A, section B, section C. Now let us put the value in this formula. N1, which is 50, multiplied by N1, which is 75, plus N2, which is 60, x bar 2, which is also 60, plus N2, which is 50, multiplied by x bar 3, which is 55, all divided by N1 value is 50, N2 value is 60, N3 value is 50, is equal to, so let us multiply 50 by 75. 3750 plus 3600 plus 2750 divided by 160 will be equivalent to 10100 and divided by 160. And the combined arithmetic mean for all the sections, section A plus section B plus section C, that would be equivalent to 63.13. So the answer is combined arithmetic mean. So the combined arithmetic mean is equal to 63.13 for the section A plus B plus C of 11th class. This is the answer. So in this way we can calculate a combined arithmetic mean either in 2 series or either in 3 series. Rather we can calculate a simple arithmetic mean just in 1 series. That is the basic difference between a simple arithmetic mean or combined mean. So do subscribe the channel to see more videos related to combined mean. Thank you.